How to create a 3D effect on any source in OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Ellen Santos, a JMV technology support expert. Today I'll show you how to create 3D or perspective effects on any source in OBS Studio. This effect can enhance gameplay streams, reaction videos, or news broadcasts where tilted screens or images are common. If you're new to OBS Studio, we offer a free, comprehensive course. Scan the QR code for access. To create the 3D effect, we'll use the 3D Effect plugin. The download link is in the video description. Click Download. You can get the installer or the file for manual installation in the OBS folder. Let's use the installer. Extract the file. Installation is straightforward. Ensure OBS is closed. Click Install, Next, then Finish. I'll apply the effect to chat and webcam, but it works on any source. It can be a video, text, image, whatever your creativity dictates. Remember, our channel has a tutorial on adding this YouTube chat to your live stream. Click the card to check it out. To add the 3D effect, select the font and click on Filters. In Effect Filters, click More and select 3D Effect. You can rename the effect if you want. Click OK. For mode, keep it on perspective. X rotation is for up and down. Y rotation is for sides, and Z rotation spins the image. Adjust the rotations as you see fit. After adjusting, you might lose part of the image. If so, adjust the field of view to keep everything in frame. Below, you can adjust the font's position on screen. Only use this for more precise adjustments. Otherwise, just use your mouse to adjust the position. The scale is also for more detailed adjustments. X scale enlarges horizontally, Y scale vertically. With everything set, click Close. Let's apply the same effect to the webcam. Again, select Source, click Effects, add 3D effect, adjust. We can enhance it with the Border and Shadow plugin. I'll link this plugin in the description. Installation is the same as the previous plugin. Download, extract, run with OBS closed. With plugin installed, reopen OBS and select Webcam. Click Filters and add the stroke effect. Under Position, select Alter Stroke. Set border size, position, and color here. Now let's add the shadow. Add the shadow effect. Under Position, select Alter. Here, choose the shadow type. Configure shadow size, intensity, angle, distance, color. Click Close and your 3D effect is ready. Check out JMV Technology's multi-stream plans. For more info, scan the QR code. Like, share. Follow us for more content like this.